What if communities could run themselves, without CEOs, boards, or governments calling the shots? That's the idea behind DAOs, or Decentralised Autonomous Organisations. Hi, I'm Daniel Maddern, and I'm the CTO of MetaEarth. In this video, we'll explain what DAOs are, why they matter, and how MetaEarth is using DAOs to power a new model of digital governance for real communities. A DAO is like an internet-native organisation, run by code instead of people at the top. Instead of hierarchy, DAOs use smart contracts and tokens to coordinate decisions and manage resources. Members can propose changes, vote, and collectively decide, all transparently on the blockchain. No central authority, no secret boardrooms, just rules that everyone can see and agree on. DAOs matter because they flip the script on how organizations work. They are borderless, people anywhere in the world can join. They're transparent, finances and votes are on-chain for anyone to verify. And they are resilient. No single leader can pull the plug or make decisions behind closed doors. From investment clubs like the DAO in 2016 to modern DAOs running on DeFi protocols, this model is reshaping how humans coordinate online. MetaEarth takes DAOs beyond crypto experiments. We are building local DAOs for real communities. We're aiming to have 200 nodes, one for each country, and our vision is that one day you can use your MeID to vote on regional matters. Imagine a DAO for your city or village that decides how to allocate UBI, fund local sustainability projects, or govern digital services. These DAOs are tied to a MeID, ensuring one person, one vote fairness, protecting against fake accounts. And because they're on MetaEarth's modular blockchain, DAOs can plug directly into DeFi, ReFi, and governance systems, creating a truly global and locally empowered network. In today's world, most governance is slow, centralized, and disconnected from the people. DAOs offer an alternative: agile, transparent, and community-led. With MetaEarth, DAOs are not just internet clubs, they're digital governments for the 21st century. So that's DAOs, community-led organizations powered by code and tokens. MetaEarth is building DAOs not just for crypto, but for real impact in real communities. If you want to learn more, download the MePass app, set up your MeID, and be ready to join the first MetaEarth DAOs as they launch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more videos on our channel about the future of Web3.